recession has dramatically impacted jobs related to data science and analytics and has led to massive layoffs, there's light at the end of the tunnel. As per reports, by 2026, there'll be 11.5 million new job openings in data science, and data scientists and analysts will become the #1 emerging role globally. If you want to join the bandwagon and work in the field of data science as a data scientist, business intelligence manager, or machine learning engineer, then you should start looking for the best place to learn all about it. I've done the homework and made the job easy for you. If you want to build a career in data science, Imarticus Learning is the place to be. Imarticus Learning offers a postgraduate program in data science and analytics. You will understand the fundamentals of data science, SQL, Python, data analytics, Power BI and Tableau with their functional applications. But hey, there's a caveat. You should be fluent in English. What's more, they have 100% placement assurance, and you can choose between a weekday and a weekend course basis your daily routine. If you don't already know about Imarticus Learning, it has already impacted over 10 lakh careers within a decade through cutting-edge curriculums, highly experienced faculty, and over 500 global hiring partnerships with leading institutions and corporations. Visit their website and enroll in a placement-assured data science course today.